Pete the kitty in the case of the hiccups. Hic, 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 hic. Hiccup. Oh no. Pete has the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot.
Can you stand on one foot?
Yeah, forever.
Okay. Alright, okay, and we can see if it stops, okay?
Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic. He's mad. Pete asked Cowie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Cowie. You stand on one foot and hop and one up and down. Kids on a foot. That's how you do it, right? He does that. Pete stands up on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has his hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop on one up and down and sing a song. Yak songs. Rock songs. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has his hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. That's his brother. And why does he look short?
Because he's also a kitty.
Is he brother? A baby? Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. Is that it? Pete asked. That it? That is it, says Mom. Pete waits and waits and he waits. That says Teddy. The hiccups are gone. Mom, I so smart. The end.